In this video, we're going to look at how to work out percentage of an amount using a calculator. So we're going to be using multipliers, okay, and we get multipliers when we divide by 100 to turn the percentages into decimals. So to work out 10%, okay, so that's 10 divided by 100, which is 0.1. So 0.1 is the multiplier that we want to use when we need to find 10%, okay. For 5%, okay, so that's 5 divided by 100, which is 0.05, okay. That's the multiplier that we want to use. To work out 1%, okay, we divide by 100, that is 0.01. To work out, for example, 20%, that is 20 divided by 100, which is 0.2. To work out 25%, that is divided by 100, and that is 0.25, and to work out 50%, we need 0.5. And obviously you can do that with any type of percentage, okay? If you need 32%, you need to divide 32% by 100 to get a decimal. Okay, so let's see how it works in practice. So if I want to work out 10% of 75, okay, what I can do on my calculator, remember that you need to use the multiplier, so that's 10 divided by 100, which is 0.1. This is the multiplier that you want to use, so that's 0.1 times 75, and that is 7.5. Okay. To find 5%, we can see from the left hand side that we need 0.05, that's the multiplier, and then times it by 122, and that is 6.1. Okay, to work out 1% of 56, you need to use the multiplier, which is 0.01, times it by 56, and that is 0.56. Okay, to find 20% of 82, the multiplier is 0.2, times it by 82, and the answer is 16.4. Okay, for 25%, the multiplier is 0.25, times it by 504, and the answer is 126. And to work out 50%, the multiplier is 0.5, times it by 863, the answer is 431.5. So let's have a look at some more examples. To work out 11%, okay, we need to divide 11 by 100 to turn it into a decimal, okay, and that is 0.11, times it by 60, and that is 6.6. To find 5%, divide 5 by 100 to turn it into a decimal, okay, that is 0.05, so 0.05 times 124, that is 6.2. Okay, to work out 16%, that's 16 divided by 100, which is 0.16, and 0.16 times 90, which is 14.4. To work out 20%, first, get the multiplier, that is 0.2, so 0.2 times by 80, which is 16. Then for 45%, divide by 100, 0.45, 0.45 times 230, and that is 103.5. And to get 6.5%, so 6.5 divided by 100, that is 0.065, 0.065 times 94 is 6.11. Some more examples. Okay, 115% of 60. Okay, so 115 divided by 100 is 1.15. Okay, so notice that your answer, because it's more than 100%, your answer should be more than 60. So let's have a look. So you have 1.15 times 60, which is 69. For 35 0.5%, so we have 35.5 divided by 100, which is 0.355. So 0.355 times by 320, that is 113.6. Then 2% of 112, okay, so to get the multiplier, we divide by 100, that is 0.02. 0.02 times 112 is 2.24. Then to work out 74%, 74 divided by 100, and that is 0.74. So 0.74 times by 1,130 is 836.2. To work out the decimal, again we divide by 100, that is 0.55. Then 0.55 times 70, okay, is 38.5. And the last example, 14.2 divided by 100 is 0.142, and 0.142 times 60 is 8.52.